Hi, and welcome to my Tidbits this week. I thought at the beginning of the year I'd kind of touch on some of the services I offer to sellers. So this week I wanted to focus a little bit on helping you getting ready to move. So often the houses on the Cape that are being sold are either estate properties, second homes, people are downsizing. So there's often a lot of things that need to be disposed of. And I have a number of clean out people that I can contact to schedule that at the end. But in the meantime, I find that a lot of the items that are no longer wanted or needed are not necessarily trash. So I work with one clean out crew that will try to donate as much as possible. So you're paying by the pound to get rid of items with clean out people. So if the more you can donate and get rid of, the less weight you're going to have in that collection, and the cheaper it's going to be for you in the long run. So I can, and what I've done in the past is I'll go and wait at the property for capabilities or for a church thrift store or a number of other people that collect or companies that will collect and save furniture and either sell it or donate it. Habitat for Humanity is a big one. Restore is their store. So that kind of thing. I will coordinate with them a pickup of furniture. They'll come out, they'll tell me what they take and what they don't take. They'll load up their truck and take as much away as possible that you're donating. And then I'll work with the clean out crew after that to get rid of it. If we have enough time, I can also do a free yard sale or estate sale. And what I do is basically like open up the house and advertise pretty extensively to get people in that can walk through and say, you know what, I need a couch or I need a bed frame or I like that picture on the wall. And these are things that you don't want, you can't take with you, that capabilities or Restore hasn't been able to take because they can't sell them. And sometimes somebody's looking for them. So another way to help remove items from the home so you're not paying for those weighted items in the trash. And then whatever's left, I'll be there for the clean out crew to come in and monitor that process while they take everything out. The ones that I work with will sweep the basement. They leave the house looking great and everything's cleaned out and it's ready for the new owner. So these are things that I have done over time. I work with the clean out crews. I work with the donation companies, and I work with the sellers particularly to help them get to that point where we can have the house cleaned out in time for closing. So all of that needs to be done at least a day in advance of closing, because the sellers usually, the buyers I should say, will come in the day of closing and do a walkthrough, and that can be first thing in the morning. It can be 8 o'clock before they close at 9 or 10. So you want to have all of that completed the day before closing, and then closing day, the buyers come through, they check everything out, it looks great, and they're ready to sign on the dotted line, and you're ready to move forward with your new sale proceeds. So if you're thinking about downsizing or selling property that is full of items that you can't use or don't know what to do with, don't worry, don't fret. That's what I'm here for. That's part of my job and part of what I love to do about my job. Have a great week, everybody. See you next time.